Total lifesaver. I'm not too sure what's the difference between the server side rules and the client side rules. That's one thing I wasn't ever totally sure about.
So I think in some cases, so like you mentioned Gmail, I think it's a bit different because the most common ways of accessing Gmail are either web apps or progressive web apps. Like they're on your phone, but they're still a web app. And so they're like the state of the kind of stuff. But if you're using like, what I guess that's POP or IMAP or whatever, you could have multiple different clients. And so if the clients are filtering, they're kind of notifying the server and moving rules. And you could have two clients with two different sets of rules. So if you accessed your emails from two different places and the clients weren't synced, you could end up with sort of like not good stuff. I think in Gmail, as an example, when you write a rule, it's just always a server side, right? Like it always in the background when the mail comes in, not when you fetch the mail.
Yeah, I pronounce that person's name. I'm sure I butchered that per rectangle from the start to that point, and then a second rectangle from that point to the end. Oh my gosh, my mind was just blown.
That's not that bad. It's just in the argument string. So like comma, scanf, open. So it's just a function call that's taking place and then the result going in as an argument. Okay. This is not as like devious, as cynical, okay. This is so crazy, but I got it now.
Okay, got it. Yeah, I got it too. Yeah, so it's a call to printf, but that printf has as an argument a call to scanf. So there's two functions, but the whole thing is freaking cool. I love seeing stuff like this. So definitely check it out. It will give you a chuckle, and you can read through how it's implemented, which is very clever.
It will give you a chuckle if you're either very against C or very deep in admiration for which doesn't surprise me, but sounds horrible.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, that's wild.
That's probably a complexity measure of your language, which is like how many features of your language are themselves Turing complete.
Oh, interesting. Yeah, I wonder, I wonder what, so there's been historically been languages where I've had a hard time working with them. And I feel like that's pretty common. So one of them is Scala, another one is Haskell. Those are two languages where I don't have strong opinions. I mean, I actually enjoyed Scala, but I found that the programs that